Matthew's Poker Night presents Gambling Grannies.
No! My friends are going to say, you're gambling with your grandchildren? Yeah.
Annie and
No, let's steal the cards.
put the Annie in. Put your Annie in.
My Annie? I'll take the Annie.
There are 10 cents. In the
Look at
pot.
these cards.
The dealer forgets to deal. She is dealing now.
Matthew, stop.
Don't show my cards.
We are trying to get a peek at the people's cards. There is 15 cents in.
You put 5.
Potential flush on the board.
There is a potential flush on the board.
Matthew, stop repeating what I say.
There is a lot of, well, not that much money in the
Four
pot.
of a kind. Or 5 of a kind.
Show her cards. I will put it in there.
Put one more bet in.
What are the
Cards
cards?
over.
We did.
So I have the highest card.
Yeah, you have.
Wait, we have a match?
Oh, wait. I have a match.
There you
Jack.
go. All right, there you go.
Maybe
You
one.
Ha ha.
Gambling granny with the
Go ahead.
brown hair wins.
Jeez. Look at this.
No, I can get an improvement for that.
You can buy new
face
shoes.
left.
You can buy new shoes. You can buy new shoes.
Okay.
Something.
Right, that's enough. Please.
Come on, Matthew. We don't
Matthew, enough. Enough, Matthew.
I already stopped it.
The iPad's
Oh,
not
put it
even
down.
allowed to be upstairs.
Please. Please put it down.
We
Over
asked you,
there.
please.
iPad's not even allowed to be upstairs.
It's not stopping.
The